Oh, of course it is. Hello, Internet. Do you use IMVU? Have you ever thought, Jesus, the search is almost useless for products on this. I bet an idiot with a notepad could make something better. Well, guess what? I'm an idiot with a notepad, and I think I made something better. So, I just whipped together a little project in batch, and so far it's actually looking pretty impressive. Just want to go ahead and do a quick show of how it works and how to set it up. If you want it, if you don't, well, fuck you, I don't really care. So, we'll just go ahead and do a quick search. When you start it up, it'll give you the option to do basic, advanced. The info doesn't really do anything, and the exit is pretty self-explanatory. Its code name is Bay. I swear to God, I didn't even mean for that to happen. That literally just is how that came out. So anyway, so we're going to go and do a basic search because the advanced search is broken as shit. And it will give you a list of creators. Now, you're probably wondering, well, gee, great, this idiot's only got 9 creators. Well, you can add more creators in the config file, and when I'm finished, it'll have up to, I believe the number I was calculating was 677. So, anyway, I'm going to go ahead and search for one of my favorite guys, Ryuchu, sorry if I misspelled your name, and I'm going to look up some wings. Or wing, apparently. There we go. All kind of wings by him. And of course, if you've got an IMVU client, you can just hit try now. Now, I haven't added the ability to add more in-depth searches, but considering it's actually pretty easy, in my opinion, to search, I'm going to go ahead and show everybody too. Let's see if I can open IMVU. It wasn't open. There we go. Yeah. I'm going to go ahead and show everybody as well how to set it up to work just fine with any developer you want. You can remove some of the ones that are there too. It's actually pretty simple. So yeah, here we go. It's starting up and it's about to add the wings. There we go. IMVU wasn't even running and just went straight into it. This is a feature that IMVU has had for a long time, but nobody utilizes because it's, let's be honest, the shop for IMVU, both online and offline, or no, online and in client, are pretty fucking awful. They're full awful. Alright, so, I'll go ahead and show anybody how to add their own little, oh, I was already in shop. Oh, that was genius. I'm going to show everybody how to add their own developer if they want. It's actually pretty simple, and if the developer changes their name, it doesn't break. So it'll be connected to them forever. So let's go and let's find something. Let's go and switch my GA on so I don't get in trouble by YouTube. There we go. Let's see. Let's find somebody that I haven't already added to it. Let's see that I'll actually freaking use. There we go. Let's yeah, we'll go ahead and add this. It looks like he's a good creator. So you'll just click the info, and then where it shows by, you'll click that. Now that should open up a IMVU link. This is where shit gets really freaking easy. Open up your notepad of choice. I'm going to use Notepad++ because, you know, Notepad++. And I'm going to go ahead and open into it. Let's see here. Open. I don't know what I just did, but it wouldn't. Oh, yeah, that's actually what I meant to do. And I'm going to go ahead and quickly. There we go. And you're going to want to open the config.cfg file. Alright, now this is where you get the list. Here's what you're going to do, where it says up here at the top, it shows manufacturer's ID. You want to copy the numbers here. You don't want to copy the and you don't want to copy the manufacturer's ID. You're going to take where it says the next available line, source AJ, or SRC AJ. You're going to paste that there, and where it just says AJ, you're going to put their name. You can put whatever you want for the name, it's just so that it shows up. That doesn't actually affect anything. So I'm just going to copy this, because I like having the exact name. Paste it right there. file, save. Now you're going to notice something when you run this again. If you just open it back up and do a basic search, you're going to see, wait a minute, it's not there. You actually have to close it and then reopen it. So rerun the search. Give it just a second, and now whenever I do a basic search, there you go. Number 10. Just type that in, and let's just type in something simple like hair. And we just did a search from products by that under hair, and it automatically set it to male because IMVU's online does that. I'm working on a way around that though. Until then, there you go. So that's it in a nutshell. I have a whole lot more I intend to add to it. For example, under the advanced tab you can search under avatars and clothing currently, but whenever I'm finished it will have a lot more options. If we go through clothing, type in the color blue, so it'll search for blue clothing. There you go. Everything that he has under the clothing tab that's blue. So I don't know why he has hair there, but this is under his clothing. So I'm guessing him or her, whoever made this, accidentally put the hair under the clothing tab, maybe. But yeah, anyway, that's that. You can use it if you want. If you want to see the code, no, not gonna happen. I don't want anybody stealing my shit while I'm building it. People do that crap all the time. Anyway, I really shouldn't be a YouTuber. Alright, see ya.